All right, the drink we're about to make is called Hot Chocolate Almond. This is going to be a nice way to change up your cup of hot cocoa. So I've got a coffee cup here, and I'm going to measure out, 1.5 ounces of amaretto. And that is going to give us our almondy flavor. And we're going to do about 1/2 ounce of butterscotch schnapps. And we're going to fill it up with some hot cocoa. All right. Go ahead and get your straw. Your spoon. And stir it up. Feel free to use a straw to stir it. It's totally up to you. We'll just get everything mixed together. And let's top it off with some whipped cream. If you'd like to garnish it with some slivered almonds, that could be a nice little addition to your drink. And let's go ahead and give it a straw. And that is a hot chocolate almond, bottoms up.